Kobus and Yulani, they sent us this water purifier. Now when I saw it, I thought I have to make a video about this because this will help our people a lot who's coming over here. I was drinking this water, but I don't like the taste. I must say I don't like it. And now I don't know how true it is, but I hear there's a lot of lead in this water. So I think to have a cheap little water purifier key will help a lot. So I'm going to unbox this one and I'm going to install it, that we can see how it's going to work.
A family rooted deep, forced to flee. With faith in God they crossed to be free. Now thriving strong, where hope still grows. Proof that life can bloom wherever it goes.
I'm not sure where did she order it from, but I'm sure you will get it from various online shops. You can see the name here. Kon jy mooi inkry.
Okay.
Alright, so let us see. I did not read the manual. I'm supposed to do it, but let us see how, as we continue, what we're gonna have. There we have some fittings. This look like little strainers for the tap. There's a manual.
Is it all the same or is it different?
Now the last one is a metal one. Okay.
Okay, let's open this one. And this is the little filter.
And this one? I think it had to go in there.
Maybe I must read the instructions. But it looked like this one is just screwing in by the tap. Waar is die ander bal? Ek het nog 'n die ding maak so nou. Let us see.
Maybe it shows you nicely.
Can you see? So here you can see you unscrew on the tap, you unscrew that one. Then you attach the adapter.
Daddy, those instructions are a lot better.
Okay, let us see the instructions.
But it does seem quite straightforward. Just move all this out of the way. And let me take care of this first. Okay. Then we can cut if we need to.
Okay, laat ek die ding gaan insit en kyk ons. Let's go.
Didn't look at the instructions, read the instructions, nothing.
It has to go inside.
Nee, hierso. Daar's. Then this goes in there. No, other way around. Yes, this one goes in there.
I see there's a micro switch only in here there.
Oh, I'm not taking video of it.
little micro switch. To see. Well, I see. Okay, this one. Hey.
Ek neem af.
But you don't see what you take.
Hou hom net in daai min of meer dieselfde posisie, dan neem ek alles af.
There's something starting here now.
Oh, maybe it's a micro switch.
Does it have a battery? Oh, let's go see if we can put it on.
Other way around. Yes. That's what the instructions said.
Yeah, but we need the adapter.
Okay. Mommy, gee daai asseblief.
Okay.
Ja. Dankie. Skaar ook. I think it's gonna be this one, Papa.
Maybe, yeah.
Press the two buttons. Okay, release them. There we go. Now this screws into there.
Okay,
Wrong
now we know how
size.
it works.
This one won't work. This one won't work. This one might work. Yes.
Alright,
Okay.
so what's happening? All these different fittings. Which one is gonna fit here in? And then there's a quick coupler action where you can clip it in here.
What did I call it?
What?
That rubber. I think I call it a washer, and that's wrong. I can't
It
remember.
doesn't matter. Okay, now it just clips in here.
Okay, and then this one screws in at the bottom. Let's open it up.
For 5 minutes it has to go. It has to go for 5 minutes.
The water needs to run for 5 minutes.
Yes. The water has to run for 5
I'm
minutes.
not happy here.
Yeah, it's leaking.
I have to remove it and tight it better. Better. It still leaks.
What's this?
I don't know what that is. There it goes through the filter. So this is normal water and that one it goes through the filter. You must just figure out it must not leak here. Okay, kom ons figure hom eers uit. Alright, you chose the right adapter, you put it in here, and then this one you must clip it in firm. It's like a quick coupler. There it is, quick firm. And then there's your normal water running straight through. At the moment you turn this on, it will go through the filter and then you will get your drinking water here. So now we're going to leave it. The instructions say we must let it run for 5 minutes. So, okay, we will let it run for 5 minutes. Quite nice, you can turn it the way you want it. You can hear there's a grrr in it when it's working. Okay, just come for me. Okay, there's a little light. You can check it now when I open this. When that light become yellow and then it will become red. When it's red, it's time to change the filter. Very easy. Okay, let me taste it now. I'm gonna take the normal water. I can smell the chloor. What is chloor?
I don't know. Chloride?
You definitely taste it. That's what I don't like about it. So let us see.
The stuff you throw in a swimming pool to make it clear.
Definitely a difference, for sure.
So it's not that strong taste.
You don't taste that chloor at all
Okay.
through here. So I suppose this little thing is working, because we cannot measure the water, but just by taste, it is working. Very nice.
Meet Sadie, our tiny teacup Yorkie with a big personality. She lives for treats, her playtime, and being right by our side. We're trying to bring her with us to the USA, and any support, whether it's a donation or even just a prayer, would really mean everything to us. If you'd like to help or learn more, please click the link in the description. And thank you so much, Happy Foreigners, for supporting us through this journey.
This filter we use for 5 days now, and I like it. The water tastes nice. It doesn't smell, and it tastes fresh like the water you bought in the stores. So I really like it. Before I didn't drink water because I don't like the smell and the taste, but now I love to drink water. The downside is I have to come from upstairs down to drink water because I refuse to drink water at the other taps. But it's nice. I like it, and it works.